The goal of this project is to look at the impact of a meal kit on the dietary and cooking behaviors of low-income African American families. So as the principal investigator of Florida's SNAP education program, we provide nutrition education across the state for families eligible for SNAP benefits. So we have partnered with Eastside High School's Institute of Culinary Arts, and Chef Pam Bedford actually leads the program, and her students are putting these meal kits together. So we wanted to try and help these families overcome these barriers by creating a meal kit program very similar to the popular national ones like a HelloFresh or local Chef Ami meal kits that would provide these foods for these families based on a recipe. So each recipe comes with fresh produce, canned goods, and meat or seafood, and they have everything they need in each kit to feed 4 family members. The students, as part of their class here in the culinary program, put together the meal kits for us. They are measuring ingredients, putting individual ingredients into cups, weighing out produce, weighing out meats. There are recipes, 3 recipes each week, and the students put together these bags for us. And then I have graduate students who are then giving these families these meal kits.
Families are talking about cooking together as a family and the children following the recipes exactly as they're written. We had one participant who shared that she never learned how to cook, that she always did the dishes, and that this project is helping her to learn how to cook for once. It's been very rewarding and fulfilling to be a part of this project and see the impact that it's having on the families.
We have loved partnering with UF and IFAS and having the researchers come in and work with our students. Not only does it give our students a chance to go out into the community and learn what other professions are like, but it gives them a more in-depth understanding to nutrition and the value of that in their community and daily lives.
So this program lasts for 6 weeks each. The families will come by Eastside High School or a local church to pick up their meal kits, and we're collecting baseline and post data as well as data 6 months post. And so far we've been doing this project for 2 weeks and have received some very positive feedback. The families are really enjoying the recipes, the students are enjoying putting the meal kits together, and we're looking forward to completing the project and looking at the real impact on the health of these families.